Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing, but a very, very exciting one. The brand new Osmo Action. Now, yes, I did say Osmo Action. So stay tuned and see what we can see. As you saw in the intro, today we're going to unbox the Osmo Action. Yes, I said Osmo Action, as in an action camera. Now this thing's going to go pretty much head-to-head with GoPro and other action cameras, but there's one special feature on here why I bought this, and I'm going to share it with you in a moment. But for now, let's see what's in the box. So of course we do have all the information on the back, which is kind of neat. It can record HDR, 4K 60p. It has dual screen, which is why I bought it. And it's also waterproof down to 11 meters. Now I'm not sure what 11 meters is, but I'll put it down here or up in the corner somewhere so we know how many feet that is. Alrighty, and also this has what's called Rock Study, which is an electronic stabilization system. And also it has a slow-mo, which is up to 8 times. Now this also uses the Mimo app like the Osmo Pocket does. Now I'm videotaping on the, I guess I can't say videotape anymore, can I? I'm videoing on the Osmo Pocket, so I can't make direct comparisons with it, but the Osmo Pocket as well as the Osmo Action does pair up with the Mimo, which I'll show in a later video. This is an unboxing video. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Try to get through the very well packaged box. And by the way, this came, I did pay for this. I did not have this sent to me by DJI. I paid for this myself. I don't know about you guys, but when you have these influencers that get stuff for free, I'm sure they're probably telling the truth, but I always have this little glimmer of, I'm not sure if they're 100% honest. Okay. So I'm a little skeptical. All right, so getting through the wrapping itself. Nice box, nice packaging. Let's go ahead and try to open this up. How do you open this thing up? Oh, on the side here, there's a little tab that has a little piece of tape on it. Let's go ahead and undo this. There we go. Aha! That's what it did. You kind of go through that little piece of tape and it opens up and dun dun dun. There it is. Look at that little thing. All right, so this is about the size of an action camera. All right. I'm going to put this box down to the side. Now it does come, of course, with a GoPro attachment kind of case around it. Let's see. Oh, yeah, flip this up. Boom, like that. You pop that over. And let's see. Back flips down like that. And then you just kind of push it through. Dun, 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 and there's the Osmo Action. Front screen, back screen. It has, of course, your record button. It has your on-off button as well as display button. QS button, which is quick switch. And then of course you have this door here. You push this little button in. Door comes down. You can flip it up. And right in there is where you put your SD card. And you can go ahead and charge the battery and everything right there. However, there's no battery. It's holy. Look at that. No battery. All right, so hopefully the battery is in the other box that's in the box. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Nothing else in there. Put that to the side. All right, so what's in the little box in the other box? Okay, so we're gonna open this thing up. Dun, dun, dun. Is there tape or something on here? There we go. Okay, we got that open. And inside is all kinds of little goodies. We got, looks like a holder, kind of like a GoPro holder. It's kind of beveled here on the end, if you can see that. So I guess kind of like on helmets and things. All right. So, and you push this in over here. You twist it, and it comes apart. Look at that. So it's a twist and click. Although that didn't click very loud, but it did click in. Okay, so it's in there. So that's a good thing. All right, so what else is in this little box? All right, let's see. Pull this thing out. What is this? This is the charging cable, I think. Let's see what this is. Fine, take all the fun out of it and I'll use the scissors. There we go. Cut that right off just like that. All right, let's get in there. This thing's packaged really good. All right, so let's take this cable out. Yep, that is a charging cable, just like that. There's also something else in here. What is this? Oh, that's the GoPro screw end. You know, kind of put your action in there, and you can kind of tighten it down with a screw. I mean bolt, rather. All right, so we got that. All right, what else is in here? We have, another base. So this is a flatter base. So I guess like on, I don't know, skateboards and things like that. Right, put it on the end. And then you can swap the mount, I'm guessing. So let's put that on here. Yep. So this type of screw mount goes on both bases. That's nice. They thought of everything. All right. So then there's a black case. What the heck's a black case for? Just pop this thing open. Dun dun dun. Will you marry me? Okay. We have. There's the battery. Okay. So on the battery, there looks like it can only go in one way because it's not going in the whole way here. So let's flip this thing around, put it on. There you go. And you got click and click. And there you go. Alrighty. So we got that taken care of. Now what you do is to undo it, you have to click there we go. You have to click two buttons. This on this side, that pops up that side, and there's another button right here. You gotta pull back, boing, and there's your battery. Okay, so we're not gonna play with the battery. We're not gonna play with it too much here. All right, what else is in here? Okay, it looks like we have this little strip that says, for more information, visit our website. So we have a website thingy that we can visit. All right, so DJI.com, and of course you have the Facebook, Twitter, all those things. So keep that. All right, and we have the Osmo Action book. So we have instruction manual with all kinds of different languages and very small. so I'm gonna have to do the old man thing. That's just the way I am. Okay, so old eyes, small print, not really a good combination. But keep this, take a look at it, and make sure it's with you at all times. Okay, so that is the unboxing of the Osmo Action. Now stay tuned, I am going to be doing a review of it. I'm going to be taking it out, doing some shots with it, some action thingies. Oh, and also stay tuned for more Osmo Pocket accessories and add-ons, and I'll probably do some Osmo Action accessories and add-ons too. So take care of all that. So thank you very much for coming along with the unboxing, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified of all upcoming Osmo Action and Osmo Pocket videos and all the other stuff that I do. So thank you, and as always, have a great day.